We got some new songs for you. It's about fucking time. We got some new songs for you. And it's been, I don't know how, but it's 7 years since we played in Pittsburgh, so it's about fucking time we got back to Pittsburgh as well. And for those of you who don't like the person with the microphone to cuss all the time, I'm sorry about that. I've already fucked up. Sorry. But we did invest in an extra large bottle of wine for this evening. And again, it sure is nice to see all of you here from the back to the front. Thanks for making it. This one's called Lightning Bolt.
Comes on like a storm, but you don't know where from. She was thrown like a burning meteor from my own side, looking for a place to land. She said, if you got yourself some sand, then what?